We have refined flour, vinegar, ginger and garlic finely chopped, soya sauce, sesame oil, eggs, red chili sauce, white pepper, onions diced into small cubes, capsicum or bell peppers, green chilies, spring onions, ajinomoto, sugar, salt, water and oil. Now to this chicken, I am going to add some pepper powder, white pepper powder, corn flour, some salt to taste, soy sauce and little oil. Mix this well. Now we are heating the oil, and now that the oil is hot, we are going to fry the chicken. Be careful not to over fry this. Okay, now that this chicken is done, and I am going to remove it. Now we will make the chili chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil in a wok. Once it's hot, add chopped ginger and garlic to this. If you like ginger and garlic, add a little bit more. Add green chilies, sliced green chilies, slit. Ensure that the wok is very hot. Once this is done, we are going to add our diced onions as well as the diced bell peppers. Saute for a while. To this I am going to add some soya sauce and some chili sauce to it. In India we add chili sauce to this, and I personally love it. Once this all comes to a mix, we are going to add chicken that we had fried earlier. To this I am going to add some salt, very little, sugar and a pinch of ajinomoto. Stir well. Immediately after this, add water to it. At this stage, you can also add the vinegar to it. Just toss it like this. Stir for a few minutes. Take some corn flour and add a little water to it and mix it. We are going to use this as a thickening agent which is going to thicken our sauce. We are going to be very careful when you use it, otherwise it will become too thick. Use 1 spoon at a time. Now the sauce is thick and nice. Put it on slow flame and let it absorb all the flavors. Last we are going to add spring onions. These taste really nice when they are crisp. Now the chili chicken is ready to plate. I have some chicken, boneless chicken, which I've cut into cubes. I've got some ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, corn flour, garam masala, salt, egg, lemon, coriander leaves, oil. I have some refined flour again here, curd, red chilies, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves and green chilies. To the chicken, I am going to add some red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, corn flour and refined flour, little salt and 1 egg. Now we are going to mix this nicely so that the chicken gets well coated with all the spices. Take a lemon and roll it like this on a board. This helps to extract the juice easily. Now squeeze the juice into the chicken. Mix it well and heat some oil in a wok. Now that the oil is hot, we will put 1 piece at a time. So that they do not stick to each other. I think this is done. We are going to remove them. We have some yogurt here, to which I'm going to add some red chili powder. Mix this well. To this I'm going to add some refined flour. This acts as a binding agent and also ensures that the curd does not separate. Take a wok and add some oil to it. We'll add some mustard seeds to it and some cumin seeds, green chilies and lot of curry leaves. Now to this I'm going to add the curd mixture that we made before and blend it well. Blend this well and in goes the chicken that was fried earlier. Toss it up well so that the chicken absorbs the yogurt. We will add some finely chopped coriander. Give it one last toss and it's ready to serve. You need some chicken wings, about a dozen of them, some salt, some pepper, chili sauce, flour, canola oil, vinegar, red chili sauce. I'm going to show you how to cut a chicken wing first. So first you cut through the skin, then you expose the bone and then cut through the rest of the skin. The tip part of the wing I'm not going to use because it hardly has any meat on it. Now I'm going to preheat the oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the chicken wings in a bowl and season it with some salt and pepper. Add hot pepper sauce to it. If you like it hotter, then you can add some more and about a tablespoon of canola oil. Mix this well. Take the flour and put it into a Ziploc bag and add the chicken wings to this. Close the bag and toss the chicken into the flour so that each chicken gets nicely coated with the flour. So I have taken a tray which I have lined with foil and I'm going to spray some canola oil on it. Now I'm going to take out each piece and line them on the baking tray just like this. Keep them a little apart. Now we will spray some more canola oil on top. This will help them to get crispy on the outside as well. Now in they go. For about 30 minutes, we will take a pan, add freshly grated ginger to it. Now add the chopped crushed garlic, some brown sugar, some white wine or vinegar. I am using rice wine vinegar here, and some chili sauce, and bring to a boil. Now also add a splash of soy to this. After this is brought to a boil, simmer it till the garlic becomes soft. Now let me see if these are done. Wow! We're going to flip them across. Some more canola on this. Put them back into the oven for another 30 minutes. Now the chicken wings are ready to remove from the oven. Wow, they smell awesome. And immediately pour the sauce over it. Toss nicely so that each chicken wing is nicely coated with the sauce. Let it cool for a while so that the sauce will soak into the coating of the chicken wing. Now these are done. These look so delicious. I'm serving it with mascarpone cream cheese sauce.
Oil for frying, around 10 fresh chicken wings, all-purpose flour 2 to 3 tablespoons, butter 2 to 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of any hot sauce or chili sauce you have, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and herb seasoning. It has all the seasons like garlic, onion, chives and so on. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano. For the chicken preparation, heat oil for frying in a large skillet. Meanwhile, marinate the chicken wings with some salt, pepper and all-purpose flour and keep aside for around 10 minutes. Now once you see that the oil is ready, drop the wings pieces into the hot oil one by one and fry them until they are golden brown in color. or around for 8 to 10 minutes or until they are crisp on outside. Now when you can see it is cooked through and has got light brown color outside, transfer the wings on a paper towel to remove the excess oil and keep aside. Now it's the time to prepare the sauce for the wings. First melt the butter in a saucepan and add brown sugar on a medium-high heat. Toss nicely the butter and the brown sugar so that the sugar is nicely caramelized. And now add tomato sauce and hot sauce into the mixture and stir well again nicely with the help of the spatula for 2 minutes. Now it's the time to add all the dry ingredients like garlic powder, black pepper powder, chili powder, salt, oregano and mix well. At this point of time, if you want, you can also add a dash of beer for your taste. Now stir over low-medium heat until all the things are nicely combined with each other. Now you can see our nice thick and spicy sauce is ready. Now it's the time to toss the fried chicken wings into it. Now gently mix all the chicken wings into the sauce so that all the wings are nicely coated with the sauce. And once they are ready, just serve hot with the ketchup of your choice or sour cream.